What if the future of luxury trucks wasn't just powerful, but completely unstoppable? This is the 2026 GMC STEELBOON STEELBOON, a gigantic six-wheel monster designed like a futuristic armored fortress on wheels, with an aggressive military-inspired exterior, luxury cockpit, premium sofas, modern kitchen, and even a full bedroom inside. This beast completely redefines what a truck can be. Yes, this isn't just an off-road machine. It's a luxury adventure home built for the wildest roads on Earth. Imagine driving through massive mountains, inside a futuristic 66 giant, surrounded by ambient lighting, premium technology, and a luxury interior while storms rage outside. Welcome to Zenthx, where futuristic vehicles become reality. Today we're exploring one of the craziest luxury off-road truck concepts ever created, the unbelievable GMC STEELBOON STEELBOON. The first thing you notice about the STEELBOON is its massive exterior design. This thing looks absolutely intimidating from every angle. GMC gave the truck a futuristic armored body with sharp lines, aggressive styling, and an oversized front grille that instantly grabs attention. The front fascia features bold LED lighting with a modern robotic appearance that makes the truck look like it came straight out of a sci-fi action movie. The blacked-out body combined with red accents gives the STEELBOON a premium but dangerous personality. And then there's the size. This truck is huge. The lifted suspension, wide body stance, and gigantic off-road tires make it tower over normal pickup trucks. The six-wheel setup completely changes the look of the vehicle and gives it incredible road presence. Everywhere this thing goes, people would instantly stop and stare. The additional rear axle doesn't just make the truck look cooler, it also improves traction, stability, and load-carrying ability. That means the STEELBOON could handle rough terrain far better than traditional trucks. Whether it's deep mud, rocky mountains, snowy roads, or desert dunes, this monster looks ready for anything. Heavy-duty bumpers, roof-mounted LED lights, rugged fender flares, and expedition-style storage racks add even more toughness to the exterior design. It feels like the perfect combination of a luxury truck, military machine, and futuristic expedition camper. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior of the GMC STEELBOON feels more like a luxury futuristic apartment than a pickup truck. GMC completely transformed the rear section into a premium living space designed for comfort and adventure. Let's start with the driver cabin. The cockpit looks incredibly modern and high-tech with large digital displays, futuristic controls, luxury materials, and ambient lighting across the dashboard. The driver sits high above the road, giving a commanding view of everything outside. The steering wheel, screens, and control layout all look advanced and premium, making the truck feel futuristic and expensive. Imagine controlling this giant six-wheel beast from a cockpit that feels more like a luxury spaceship than a normal vehicle. Behind the driver area, the STEELBOON transforms into a luxury lounge on wheels. The sofa seating area is one of the coolest parts of the interior. Premium black leather sofas with stylish red accent pillows create a modern luxury atmosphere inside the cabin. A center table between the sofas gives passengers a comfortable place to relax, eat, or enjoy the journey. And then we move to the kitchen area. Yes, this giant off-road truck actually has a fully equipped modern kitchen inside. The kitchen features a premium countertop, built-in sink, cooktop, storage cabinets, and space for cooking equipment. Everything is integrated beautifully into the cabin walls, making the interior feel clean and futuristic. Above the living section sits another unbelievable feature, the elevated bedroom. The upper sleeping area includes a comfortable bed, premium bedding, soft lighting, and a cozy atmosphere perfect for long-distance travel. The elevated design saves space while giving the truck a true luxury motorhome feeling. Instead of sleeping in tents during outdoor adventures, owners of the STEELBOON could relax inside a warm, comfortable private bedroom surrounded by luxury materials and futuristic lighting. The storage systems throughout the cabin also make the truck practical for long journeys. Multiple cabinets and organizers provide enough room for travel gear, supplies, and adventure equipment. This truck basically combines three things together: a luxury SUV, a hardcore off-road vehicle, and a premium motorhome. That's what makes the STEELBOON feel so unique. Now let's talk about power and performance. A truck this massive would need serious power under the hood. Experts imagine the GMC STEELBOON could feature a high-output twin-turbo V8 engine producing over 800 horsepower. Some concepts even suggest hybrid electric assistance for even more torque and off-road capability. And honestly, with six-wheel traction and giant off-road tires, this truck would probably dominate almost any terrain on Earth. The advanced suspension system could allow the STEELBOON to remain smooth and stable, even while driving over rough trails and rocky surfaces. Despite its huge size, the truck would likely feel surprisingly comfortable to drive. The massive wheels and high ground clearance also give the vehicle incredible off-road confidence. Rivers, snow, mud, sand, and mountain terrain would feel easy for a machine like this. And let's be honest, this truck isn't just about capability, it's about presence. The GMC STEELBOON STEELBOON looks like the kind of vehicle driven by billionaires, explorers, survival experts, or movie villains. It feels bold, oversized, futuristic, and impossible to ignore. Now let's talk about the possible price. If GMC ever decided to build something this extreme, it definitely wouldn't come cheap. Experts believe a luxury 6x6 truck with this level of technology, luxury, and off-road engineering could easily cost between $450,000 and $700,000, depending on customization options. That would make the STEELBOON one of the most expensive and exclusive off-road trucks in the world. But honestly, looking at this thing, it absolutely feels worth it. The 2026 GMC 6x6 STEELBOON isn't just a truck. It's a luxury apartment on wheels, a futuristic off-road monster, and one of the craziest automotive concepts we've ever seen. So what do you think about this unbelievable six-wheel beast? Would you actually drive and live inside the GMC STEELBOON? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more futuristic trucks, luxury SUVs, insane motorhomes, and next-generation automotive content right here on RPM Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.